Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So recently I purchased a tent box for my Land Rover Defender, and I also bought one of these, the Outrigger Step, which basically brings the ladder further out from your vehicle. Really good for if you've got side opening doors that protrude out when they come out. So I thought I needed one for the Land Rover because with it being slightly wider than the tent box, I was going to struggle with the ladder coming out at the right angle, so that's why I purchased one. I put a few comments on the Facebook forums, on the Tentbox forums, and it seemed to get a lot of interest. A lot of people were asking about it, so I thought, why not do a little video on how to set it up. So this is me just setting it up. You literally just attach the bolts and the wing nuts that come with the step, attach it to your ladder, easy peasy. All very well made, really sturdy, it seems to be. It's like checker plate, so it's a good sturdy step. So just attaching the other side here. There we go. And then back outside to offer it up to the tent box, just using the spring clips, spring pins on the side of the tent box. And that's it really. Level it up, adjust accordingly, and up you go. So it gives you a nice little platform that for getting into your tent box. You could even sit on it of a morning, just sit at the top of your ladder, watching the world go by, watching the morning come up. So yeah, it seems really sturdy, so I'm really pleased with it. And when you're done, just pull the clips, as you would with just the normal ladder, basically. And then just close your ladder as you normally would. Leave the step attached if you want, or you can just take it off. It's up to you. It comes off dead easy. Just undo those wing nuts and job's a good one. You can feed the strap back through underneath the step to secure your ladder, and then just store it wherever. Obviously I'm only doing this for an example, I won't put it there. And that's it, done. So yeah, you can see there how it sticks out from the side of the tent box, giving you a lot of clearance, especially like I say, if you've got side opening doors or anything that's in the way. It just gives you that added, 29-30 centimetre span. So yeah, that's the Outrigger Step. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to have a closer look.